What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be installing a half cage from Titan Motorsports and a rear seat delete kit from Shrader Performance. It's a bolt-on kit, so it should be pretty straightforward. We're not supposed to drill any holes or anything. We're not supposed to weld anything, which I don't know how to, so let's see how it goes.
I know, but I can never match your name or face. My fault, I didn't notice it was out of place. You painted fairy tales on the wall, calling to the better of the halves of me. Please show me just a little bit of honesty. I hope I got a heart that I can salvage, but it's getting harder now to recall.
Anything One eternity later.
Came in and you're looking like a sign of grace, I know, but I can never mention name to face my fault. But when I